Going live. Woo! Okay, cool. Why isn't that? Oh, it is showing. Okay. Oh, maybe not. What's going on? Do I have like a shitty upload speed right now or what? It says excellent connection. Turn on some music here. How's my volume sound? Alright, sounds good. Can y'all see anything at all? Am I streaming in like really shitty quality? Alright, sounds good. Can y'all see anything at all? Auto 720. What if we go to 1080? Okay, cool. Yeah, as long as we're in 1080p, we're good. Am I streaming in like really shitty quality? So we can mute that, and then we're good. Back to this random music stuff. I don't think that was too loud, was it? How loud was that? Unmute. We can mute that. All right, just gonna let you know this is probably gonna be a boring video because we're using CSS Grid. Hadn't used that before, so might struggle a little bit, but hey, we're gonna learn, so we'll figure it out. Also, the music didn't sound too bad, so we'll leave that on. Actually, we might turn that down just a tad. There we go. All right, just gonna let you know, so what do we need to get up here? I need to close those. So might struggle a little bit, but hey. Yeah, the music is kind of loud. Let's desktop audio, bring that down a little bit more. And then I can re-mute that thing. And then we need to get GitHub desktop so I can pull this down. All right, let's make that full screen. AOM custom taunts. What is this, project number 7? The second time I've done it. So where is this at? Show and explore. Come over to the right side. There we go. Cool. So this is what we're building here. They only give us the desktop version. We have to kind of come up with our own mobile and tablet version. So I'm feeling like tablet will probably look like this. It'll probably just not have this sidebar. And then mobile will just be everything in like a one column. So that won't be too bad. And then this will probably just be like on top, I guess. Like right across the top here. But that's what we're building. We need to get Atom up and going. So index, there we go. Open with Atom. Also, if you want to sign up for Team Treehouse, there's going to be a link in the description. You can get like a 7-day free trial if you want to try it out. All right, Adam, let's put that on the right screen so y'all can see this. All right, so this is all I got so far. We just got a little basic boilerplate thing. Don't know why that's there. Was there an unclosed tag? No, we're good. Okay, so I got my grid notes here. Let's see. So we need to... I hope my mic is in a good position. I watched the grid video like 3 weeks ago, and then I never built this project, so this isn't like isn't exactly fresh on my mind, but we're gonna figure it out. Let's just double check something here. Grid. A complete guide to grid. Cool. I just need to know how I should organize my HTML here. Yeah, so that'll be grid template columns. So we'll have like, that'll be the first one, and then we'll have 2 more on the sides, because that's what this picture's like, right? Yeah, there's 1 there, and then that's basically 2. Okay, I like how this is in a nice grid layout. That'll make this easy to build. All right, so this is, I need my grid container. That'll be like the body, I guess. Yeah, we can use the body as the grid container. We can use the FRs because those are like fractional positioning, or basically if you have 3, from my understanding, that'll make it like 3 even columns. So we could do like 5, 5, and 1. I feel like that'll give us the widths we need there. No. How do I make grid responsive though? Never gonna give you up. Assign a name to an item. This is gonna be interesting. This video is probably not gonna be too beneficial for anybody, but Whatever. Justify self. Okay, cool. Grid template areas. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm guessing on. Okay. And I can just do like a media query where at under 767 pixels, it's just like header, main, footer, blah 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 blah, everything else I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically copy this right now because I want that. Do I have my CSS file made? I do. Let's go ahead and open that in Atom here. I opened that in Atom, right? Atom. I can just drag it over here. There we go. Close that. Never gonna get by, no. This doesn't sound like non-copyrighted. Yeah, that sounds like a famous song, kinda. I don't think this is non-copyrighted stuff. I think I'm getting screwed here. Alright, so we're gonna have, everything's gonna have a name. So like nav, subnav, dashboard bar, I guess. Search bar. That'll be graph. Daily traffic, mobile users, and then this will be like a subgrid because that whole thing will be one, and then that'll be 3 in it, and then that'll be 1, and that'll be 1. Okay, so how do I make that in this? So logo container. Okay, so that's what I was making there, and then that's gonna be the right side. And we can use flex to justify space like between, I think, and that'll evenly position those on the outsides. So I see what I was going for there. And then we got the right side. And we're gonna go ahead and give this class nav main. And then we'll do, can you have 2 nav elements? Is that an acceptable thing? Yes, absolutely. You can have multiple navs. Sweet. Just wanted to make sure that wasn't something like how with H1 tags, you're only supposed to have 1 because that's what Google's going to read for SEO. And if you have 2, it like confuses Google or something. What would you do? Oh, don't need Tim on here. Apparently AI is better at diagnosing than doctors are now, which is kind of cool. So this will be nav class equals subnav dash. There we go. And then that'll have those 4 icons in it. I think those are SVGs. So that's gonna be fun to animate. And then we need basically this thing's container. Yeah, that'll be 1 big div. Main content. And then there's gonna be a lot in here. So we're gonna have, zoom in right here. So that can be 1 row. And we'll just have border bottom 0, border right. I mean border bottom none, border right there. And then we need something for the alert holder. I guess we can dynamically add that with JavaScript because when you click the X, that's gonna have to go away. It is looking really dark and dreary outside. I wonder if it's gonna rain today. So yeah, we need another div in there for the search part. Search row, I guess we'll call it that. And then we need a div for alert. And then we'll have a div for chart, right? Why did it zoom out? Yeah, we can just have like a charts div, and then we'll have a div for daily traffic, a div for mobile users. Why didn't that auto close? Oh, because I didn't close that div. All right, there we go. Now we don't need that one, but we do need another div. Class equals, what is it going to be? Daily traffic. Ah, if I can spell. Okay, and then we need div class mobile users. And then some more space down here. I'll put like 2 in between each one of these, so it's more like readable. And then we need social stats, and that's gonna have 3 inside of it. And then new members and recent activity. What was it? Social stats. Div class equals new members. Class equals recent activity. Is that what's next? Yeah. Ah, nope. How did all those spaces go away? And I think we got 2 more down here, right? Message user and settings. So div class user. There we go. Now we got all the main stuff set up. Let's go ahead and save that real quick. All right, so now if we go back up here, we can start adding the small stuff inside. So we got the logo. And we'll just have image src equals, is that in my files? Images? No. Icons? Settings, visits, Twitter, bell, dashboard. What is dashboard SVG? So you can basically go to Google with SVGs and just drag, if I can click this, there we go, drag and drop, and it's white, so that's not gonna show up. View SVG with black background. Yeah, bud, you want more attention? Actually, if we go to Vivus Instant, this is what we usually use to animate SVGs, but if I just drag it and drop it in here. Okay, so that's like a calendar. So they didn't give us a logo. We need our self.dev logo already. Anybody who watches this as a graphic designer and wants to make my logo, that'd be fucking awesome. It's called self.dev. I don't know what I want it to look like or what it needs to look like, but I need a logo. So, was that a PNG? It is. I can't just grab that. But that's just text, so we can just make that in text, actually. So we go index. We don't even need the. My cat is playing with a paper towel roll, so sorry if that's annoying to you guys. Am I froze? No. Okay, cool. That was just behind a little bit. So we can go, what, like a P tag, and we'll do your logo. And then what's the number for trademark? That'll work. I'll stick that in there. And then this part's bold, so we'll do span class heavy weight. And that'll add, we'll add a class in our CSS that'll have heavyweight, or like font weight 900 or something like that. And there's not a space in between, so we'll delete that. But I think there's like a space between. No, I guess we don't need a space between the trademark. Delete that. I wonder if that'll render right if there's no space, or if we'll read that as part of the logo. Let's see. Ah, it works. Cool. Don't need that anymore. We'll keep the grid thing up in case we do need that. Obviously, it's been a while since I used Team Treehouse. I have to learn new stuff for this project, so I've just been putting it off. But I got to do it. The money I'm paying for Team Treehouse forces me to do this. All right, so we got left done. That's all we need in there. Then the right container. What do we need in here? We need a bell, a divider, and then that. So is that in our files here? Image. No. Icon? Bell. There we go. SVG. So if I don't want to open that with Internet Explorer, I want to open that with Atom. So I can just drag that in here. There we go. Now we'll just take the Bell SVG data and we'll put it right here. Can I not minimize all that? Wait, yeah, it's like that, right? And then right here, we'll do this, and we'll do bell icon end. And now I can know where the bell icon starts and stops, and that'll just be white. So it probably won't show up if we render it right now. Did you save that? Nope, don't do that. We need that still in case we need it. And then we'll need a fucking like a P tag. We'll just do like a span. Actually, can we do like a border? Yeah, we can just do like border left on this box and make it there. Would it make it 100%? No, we'd have to set like a height on that, so that wouldn't be too bad. Okay, so now we need another div. Class equals person info. Image src equals. All right, where's our pictures at? Images. We'll use this guy. So just images member-2.jpg. Alright, does that show up? No, we didn't link it right. How do I get my file structure up on the left side here? I want my file on the left. I need everything to pop up in my file structure. How do I get that up? Show in Explorer, toggle minimap, reveal entry. Severity. Ooh, what is that? View stage, split right, split left. Do I just drag the whole file in here? Would that work? Show me the file. There we go. That's what we need. Cool. All right. So yeah, we got images. Where's my? Yeah. Images. member2.jpg. Cool. Really crappy picture, but whatever. Did I close it? I guess so. Open in browser. Over here. Is it even showing up in the DOM? Hey, what is going on? Person info, image src. Where is this? Why isn't this even showing up in the DOM? Oh, it's down here. Because I need to set a size on that SVG because it's just going huge, huh? That's weird. Okay, so it's not getting the image. So if we just copy file path, copy project path, and we'll just stick that right there. Oh, my slash was the wrong way. Ah, that's funny. It's still not loading. Image SRC. Duh. God, stupid spelling errors. There we go. Okay, now we got him showing up. Cool. So, where are we at? 20 minutes? Okay, cool. Alright, so we need to set a max height on the SVG. Actually, we can just keep building the HTML right now. So that, we've got this. Now we need his name. And that'll just be P, and we'll do, what's a fun name? Jason. What's the last name? Gray. That'll work. Okay. Ow, Jax, quit. All right. So, 7:39. I gotta get ready for work, actually. Can you not claw me? So, that's as far as we're gonna get today. Didn't make too much progress. Got like the rough containers on the HTML done. So not too productive, but hey, we're getting progress. That's all that matters. As long as we're making progress, that's all that counts. So, if you guys want to sign up for Team Treehouse, it's more fun than watching me do the videos probably. But there's a link in the description. You get like a 7-day free trial if you want to try it out. Their projects definitely help me get a job. If you want to join Discord, there's also going to be a link in the description for that, I think. Otherwise, go to another video, and there will be a link in the description there. And you can come hang out. We got like 15 members now, I think, so it's a pretty fun place to be during the day. And if you have any questions, just leave those in the comments below, all right? I will see you next time. Peace.